Alright folks, let's roll. So the newest motorcycle is the Triumph Street Rebel, one of my favorite engines. This is the best motorcycle according to me. But yeah, let's roll. Santo is giving all flybys. I think also the same engine also runs on the Daytona as well. That's a fantastic boon to have. And he has mentioned our Instagram page, Team Revving Monsters. Instagram handle is Revving Monsters, and that's the group name that we have for all the motorcycles in our group. And do consider following that page. You will see a lot of things around that. Alright, so the three, possibly the best naked. Alright folks, looks like Abhi has been caught, so we are not taking our super bike, so we are taking Sanket. Sanket, I'll tell you why I'm not allowing him to ride, that's a big story. So, license, so Abhi was caught for overspeeding, not overspeeding, 86. So it is also an opportunity for us to ask, what is the speed that you have to carry in these roads? I only come in 60 because I'm very sure here what happens. Also guys, let me know if you want me to review the BS6 Classic 350. This is not the new model, this is the older model that actually came in. So we will do the this thing for that. So do comment on if you want to get the review thing. ಎಷ್ಟು 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅವನು? 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ಕೆಳಗಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. ಫೋರ್ಕು ಏನೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಕೊಟ್ವಿ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಉಂಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಬ್ಬಿ ಅವರು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಂಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ? ಅವನೇನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಂತ ನನಗಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್. ಅವಮಾನ ಅಲ್ಲ, 86 ಹಿಡಿದ್ರ. Saw camera, they asked me to leave like I said a minute before, but it was great fun.